going on? Super excited for this video because we are going to be discussing the differences, if any, between a conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. You guys have been asking about this a lot because there's so many products right now in the natural hair care industry, like currently on the market, and it's just interesting to know, like, what can we use interchangeably? Like, if I run out of my conditioner, can I use a leave-in? If I run out of my leave-in, can I use a conditioner? So in this video, you will have your answer because we're going to go ahead and jump right into it as usual, so stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about what it is. Okay, so what is a conditioner? A conditioner is typically a cream-based formula designed to condition the hair. It's designed to smooth the cuticle, soften the hair, detangle the hair, make it more manageable, and impart moisture as well. Leave-in conditioners are actually designed to do the exact same thing. However, some leave-ins might have some stylers within it to kind of give your hair some hold or some definition if you're doing like a braid out or a twist out, and they are designed to be left in the hair. Now let's look at the formula. So for a conditioner, you have different functions that make up a conditioner. The first function, of course, is going to be your water. So typically, if you pick up a conditioner right now, the first ingredient, more than likely, is going to be water. A lot of the moisture that you're getting is coming from that first ingredient within the formula. Another part of moisture can be glycerin or butylene glycol or propylene glycol. These are humectants that attract moisture to the hair. After that, you're going to have things like fatty alcohols, like cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, and then you're going to have oils and butters. You're going to have some cationic surfactants like centramonium chloride or benzimonium chloride. All of these are different functions that make up a conditioner. Interesting enough, leave-in conditioners have the same things as well. So structure-wise, if you want to kind of put two and two together, they are pretty much the same exact thing. As far as the differences go, the first difference a lot of times is going to be the texture. Conditioners are typically going to be thicker than leave-in conditioners, and especially deep conditioners and masks are going to be way thicker than regular conditioners and leave-in conditioners. So the second difference is going to be conditioners to have a higher amount of cationic ingredients. As I mentioned before, cationic ingredients are there to soften the hair and really condition the hair. So it makes sense that conditioners are going to have a higher amount of cationic surfactants versus a leave-in conditioner. Now to the big question, can you use a conditioner as a leave-in conditioner? Can you use these interchangeably? Now, if you want to use a conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, yes, you totally can, because like I said before, structurally wise, they are pretty much the same exact thing. They're just marketed differently. Now, I will say this, depending on the style that you're going for, you may not want something like super heavy like a conditioner, whereas you might want like a spray leave-in on your hair. So it really depends on what kind of style you're trying to do. Now, can you use a leave-in as a conditioner? Technically, you can, but you probably will have better results using a regular conditioner because, once again, conditioners are going to have a higher amount of cationic surfactants than your regular leave-in conditioner. So technically, your conditioner will perform better as a conditioner than your leave-in performing as a conditioner. So how should you use this? If you're using a conditioner in place of a leave-in conditioner, there's two ways you can use it. You can use it directly on the hair like you would a regular cream like leave-in conditioner, or you can add some of the conditioner to your water bottle, like a spray water bottle, shake it up, and then spray that on your hair. That's what I do very often because I just kind of like that milky, like leave-in texture sometimes, especially for my low porosity hair. That helps a lot getting moisture into my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. If you guys learned something new, I do have a question for you. I actually have two questions for you. The first question is, what is your favorite leave-in conditioner? And the second question is, what is like a rumor, something similar to like you can't use a conditioner or leave-in, like what other rumors have you guys been hearing lately in regards to products or techniques or ingredients? Comment below. I look forward to joining the conversation with you. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel, making sure notifications are on, commenting below, liking this video. And if you guys are on Clubhouse, I am there as well at Curly Chemistry. Be sure to follow me if you have the Clubhouse app. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Charmaine369. Be sure to check out the Curly Girls Guide to Hair Care Ingredients. I will have the link below for you. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line, you can work with me one-on-one. I will have a link below for you as well. All right, guys, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.